guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. I am Maggie. If you are new, welcome. What's your name? Gabe? Gabe, okay. Today we're going to be making the perfect appetizer, which if you want to put on your Easter tables, I won't be opposed to. It's asparagus that we're going to wrap in bacon. So good. Really, like, delicious. I cannot wait for you to try it. Even this guy eats it. That's how good it is. So I'm so excited to share it with you. If you want to see exactly how to do that, make sure you keep watching. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Yeah. Blow kisses with your chicken. Bye, guys. All right, so let's start on our asparagus. We're going to go ahead and just cut off the ends about 2 inches or so. That part of the asparagus is quite tough, so it's going to be hard for you to eat. So I like to just get rid of those. I'm going to put the rods in a pie plate just so I don't have to bend them and they don't break. And then we will cover everything in some olive oil. This is going to help the seasoning adhere to the asparagus and not just fall off. We're going to start out with some salt. Do as much as you want. I would say just be aware that the bacon is quite salty, so don't overdo it, but don't forget to salt it, otherwise it's going to have no flavor. Then we're going to do black pepper, again to taste. Do as much or as little as you want. We will go in with some garlic powder now. This stuff is like my go-to seasoning. I use it on everything. And then we will finish it off with some dried oregano. And then you're going to use your nice clean hands to toss everything together, because that's the best tool in the kitchen, your hands. Set that aside, and now we are going to get started on our bacon. I cut the bacon in half just because I don't like that it's so much bacon on each bundle. So you can do a whole slice. I like to do a half. You're going to wrap the bacon around the asparagus and then place it on a baking sheet. I line mine with some aluminum foil so it's easy cleanup, and then you bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees, making sure to flip it over halfway through. All right, enjoy!